Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for Da Hood style editing. First, you'll want to import all your game footage and audio into the media pool. Organizing these files into bins helps keep your project tidy. Next, create a new timeline and drag your primary video clips onto it. Remember to set your project frame rate to 60 frames per second for that super smooth, professional look in your final video. Now, let's talk about making your edits pop. The blade tool is your best friend for precise cuts, allowing you to trim clips exactly where needed. Adjusting clip duration and speed is crucial for setting the perfect rhythm. Try using jump cuts and quick transitions to keep the energy high and the pacing dynamic. Don't forget to synchronize your sound effects with on-screen actions. It makes a huge difference. To get that distinctive Da Hood visual style, head over to the color page. Start by applying a contrast-heavy look to give your footage a bold feel. Next, adjust the saturation to make certain colors stand out, like bright weapon effects or character outfits. Power windows are excellent for isolating and grading specific areas. Finally, consider adding a touch of film grain or sharpening for that gritty, authentic texture. Great sound design elevates any video. Layering multiple sound effects creates a rich, immersive audio landscape. Make sure to adjust individual clip volumes and apply audio compression for a balanced mix. Adding background music that perfectly complements your video's intensity is also key. Once everything is polished, export your final video in a high-quality format, like H.264, ensuring it looks and sounds fantastic for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.